Hello traders, good morning. Today 22nd of November 2023. What a blessing trade, guys, on pound yen. Let me share with you guys, we had amazing trade on pound yen, and as you have seen my previous analysis, if you haven't seen my previous analysis, video is given, link is given over the video description, or you will find that video in the my video library on the YouTube. As mentioned in my previous analysis and about this rejection here yesterday. So if you look at this candle, we have a bullish engulfing candle give us a high probability trade, and price refused to stay below this level. As explained my trader, I think possibility of counter opportunity. Market nicely broke on this resistance. After the breakout, market nicely retest. Beautiful. So we had amazing trade, guys. Reversal. We already had this all the short trades, and we also had a counter long trade. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. That's the pretty straightforward. As you have seen my previous analysis, we had this breakout, pulled back long, and afterwards we let the market break the structure. After the breakout, we have this beautiful pullback as mentioned here. We banked some profit, but final target nicely hit this fifth channel, and that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. And let's wait for the market to develop another structure. As you can see here, after impulsive market develop another correction, and we have another beautiful symmetry triangle pattern. This is another sign of continuation. So we had this beautiful breakout, market nicely hit to the profit target, and explain my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. Alright guys, you want to see those analyses in real time? Most welcome, join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day.